Inside of After Effects, we're going to make sure we have our composition selected. Go up to File, Export, Add to Render Queue, or use the shortcut Ctrl-M. Select the Output module, make a template. This will bring up the Output module template box. Select New. We're going to change the format to QuickTime, select Format Options, and set the video codec to DNxHR, DNxHD in the dropdown. And then in resolution, you want to make sure DNxHR HQX 10-bit is selected. Then select None for alpha. If you want to make the same master export but contain any alpha channel, you can select the compressed option here. Select OK. This is optional, but to make sure the export preset stays as high res as possible, we can change the depth from millions of colors to trillions of colors. Select OK. Now we can name the preset AE Master Export, so we can find it later. Select OK. Now when we go to our render queue and select our output module, we'll see the preset at the top labeled AE Master Export. Select it. When clicking on it, we'll see all the settings we set up previously to confirm they're there. I've had a few times in the past where the DNxHD HR codec has given me issues, specifically when dealing with alpha channels, so another master export I like to have on hand is using Cineform. To make this, go into the output module again, select New, make sure the format is set to QuickTime, select Format Options, and set Video Codec to GoPro Cineform in the dropdown, and set the quality slider to 5. Hit OK. Change the channels dropdown to RGB plus alpha. Make sure trillions of colors is selected in the depth dropdown. Hit OK. Now we can label this Cineform Master _ with alpha. Select OK, and now we can select this preset in the dropdown. A slight warning to you on these renders is that they're going to be large files, so make sure you have the space on your hard drive if you have to make hundreds of them, especially the GoPro Cineform preset.